the day. It's a 1995 Nighthawk 250. We're gonna trade it in for a CBR 650F.
Dude, that was insane. Is your gas light on?
It'll be good.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going cruising with a couple friends of mine. I don't have a ton of time actually because I gotta make work on time. So I'm hoping we can at least ride for a few minutes here. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough footage to make a video today, unfortunately. I thought I was going to, but we didn't get out to riding till way after I thought we were going to. My buddy on his R6, we just helped him install some LEDs on his bike, which is why it took so long. But they look pretty sweet. Obviously you can't see them too much right now, but yeah guys, I'm testing out the new ND filter I got from my GoPro, and it's pretty bright outside, so I put the darkest one on. I'm hoping that the color looks pretty good. I have high hopes for the ND filter because of exposure and all that stuff, and there's been good reviews about them online and people recommend using them and stuff, so I have to be to work in less than an hour. Woo!
I'll still be gas, by the way.
Is your light on yet? You'll be fine. Yeah. That's too good. I love wheeling. It's just so much fun, dude. That's an interesting way to start off the ride. There's too much traffic!
Let's go, buddy!
Yes, sir. Wah, wah, wah. Ah.